Use these balls and Martens will always steer clear of your car. All you need is these products for this trick, and it works every time. Martens can cause serious damage under the hood, often targeting rubber parts like cables. If they get into the cooling system hoses, it can lead to engine overheating, and fixing such a problem can be extremely expensive. Luckily, there are inexpensive ways to keep them away. With this clever trick, you won't need to buy costly ultrasonic devices. One of the most effective and cheapest chemical deterrents is a toilet freshener block. Just place it under the hood, making sure it's in a spot where it won't get caught in moving engine parts. You can also transfer the contents of the toilet block into a small bag. It doesn't matter how or where exactly you place it. The smell repels Martens. Replace it every few weeks to keep it effective, because once the scent fades, it stops working.